Hi there, today's video is a bit different from many of the other ones I've been doing recently, but I'm going to share with you one of the best investments I've made in recent years. This has made me over 150,000 euros of gains so far. It's about 125,000 pounds, about 170,000 US dollars, depending which currency you're in. Now this can work out worldwide. So I thought actually this would go really well on YouTube. I recorded a video which explains what this is all about, how it works, and I sent that to my own personal mailing list, but I thought, no, let's get this on YouTube as well. So do take the time to watch this short video. I outline the details of this incredible investment club. You don't need lots of money, you don't need any particular skills. It's a set and forget sort of situation. But enough of me talking, let's jump in and share with you that video I recorded just earlier. Hi there, I don't know if you've ever wished that you could have got an investment early on in a big international brand company, right when they were a tiny business. Imagine you'd got £500 or $500 invested in Tesla right at the start when they were just 10 or 20 employees. If you had managed to get that investment, you'd be a multi-billionaire today. That's the power of investing early on in young businesses that become huge disruptors in their sector. And that's what I want to share with you today, the ability for anyone, anywhere in the world, to be able to get shares in exciting young companies way before the general public get a chance. But these have the ability and the potential as companies to grow into massive international brands, and in the process potentially make you a fortune. Now I need to say here, there's no guarantees of returns here. This is not some get rich quick scheme or anything like that. This is genuine investments in young real businesses that have that potential to become huge businesses. So how does this actually work? Well, it's through an investment club called VC Crowd. I've been a member for several years now, and my results, personally, I'm really excited and delighted with the results I'm seeing with that. But I just want to share with you a few companies that the club has invested in so far and show you how it can work for you. Now, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. This club is worldwide. They're based in Europe, but you can join from America, from Australia, from Africa, from Europe, the UK. It doesn't matter, because all you're doing is paying for a membership to a club. Same way that you'd pay for a membership to a gym club or to a golf club, you pay your membership. Now, what do you get? What's the benefit of paying a subscription to VC Crowd? Every month, they will give you up to the same value of your subscription, free shares in businesses they've invested in. They also have a team of expert advisors and investors, so you don't need to make those investment decisions yourself. You simply pay your subscription and every month get given shares in businesses. Now, if you wanted to get extra shares in a particular company that takes your fancy, there is an internal share trading platform, so you can buy shares from other members. And likewise, perhaps you don't like a company that they've given you shares in, you can sell your shares on that internal market as well. Now, that's commission-free trading. There's no charge for that. That's all included as part of the membership. Another benefit you get by being a member of the club, you actually get to see and quiz the CEOs and founders of the businesses that you own shares in on regular live webinars. You can watch them on recording if you don't make the webinars live. And it's a really transparent, open place. It's a really friendly club, but we do have some massive potential businesses. Let me give you some examples. First of all, we've got LifeSafe Technologies here. This is a company that VC Crowd invested in a little while back, and they have this unique 5-in-1 fire extinguisher. This is totally transforming the fire extinguisher market, because you don't need different fire extinguishers for different fires. This one extinguisher can tackle all sorts of fires: electrical fires, material fires, petrol fires, all sorts of fires with just this one fire extinguisher. Now, within 3 weeks of this fire extinguisher being listed on Amazon, this became the #1 bestseller in the UK of over 200 different fire extinguishers. So the market absolutely loves this. They've just received approval to launch this into America. They've got the approval standards to be able to make this available in America. It's already available in Australia and is now expanding throughout Europe. So this is one of those Tesla moments. It's an exciting company that's going to disrupt a massive industry. And this is your chance to get these shares right at the start when this is still a tiny company. And again, remember, tiny company that becomes a massive company. If you've got the shares at the start, your shares could be worth a fortune. Let me give you another example of an investment the club has made. It's a drinks company called Skinny Tonic. They have this unique drink that is free from artificial additives and free from sugar. It's the only one of its kind in the UK, and sales are booming. They have their own canning facility up in Liverpool, and that is expanding fast, and they are producing thousands and thousands of cans every minute now. They have contracts to supply big retailers such as this one here, Eden Bay. This is supplied to Lidl superstores across the UK, and they're now expanding internationally as well with Skinny Tonic. So there's a couple of example companies that the club has invested in. Now again, let me remind you, you don't need to do any research. You can treat this like a savings plan on steroids. Just take your membership payment, set it and forget it. Every month you receive shares in companies the club and their advisors have investigated, researched and invested in. So from a very small membership fee, you're getting shares every month in these companies. Now I would also just say you need to take action sooner rather than later. At the moment, if you join the club today, you will get bonus shares when you join. You will get up to £250 worth of free shares on top of the shares you get for your membership subscription by using the link below today and joining the club. Now there's absolutely no risk because you've got a full 14-day money back guarantee. So you can get in on some of the live webinars, have a good investigation of the back office, see what shares are already there, see what shares you get with your monthly subscription, plus the bonus of up to £250 worth of free shares for simply joining right now as well. So I think I've covered most things. Like I said, doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can join. You can pause your subscription and restart. So if money became tight for a while, you could do that. But choose the membership which most suits you. I'd recommend going as high as you can to start with so you get a good base of shares to start with, and then change your subscription later on, 6 months, 12 months down the line if you want to do that. But I'm going to leave you now and pass you over to Pete Burgess. He's the General Manager with VC Crowd, and he'll give you another quick summary of what the club is all about.
Hi everyone, I'm Pete Burgess and I'm General Manager of VC Crowd. VC Crowd is a members club which invests in young, disruptive, private companies and then gives free shares to its members every month up to the value of the membership fee paid. Shares in these companies are not available to the general public. They are privately owned businesses that have decided to partner with VC Crowd because they value the financial and management support that we provide. Think of it as the Dragon's Den, but with your own personal dragon looking after our members' best interests. As these companies grow, the value of their shares increase, and so the value of our members' portfolios increase as well. It's a proven model, and members have exited several positions over the years. When Vulcan Industries listed, members made over 200% profit, and Wide Cells IPO realised 100% profit. The great news is that we are expecting at least 3 exits in 2022, so there has never been a better time to join. Skinny Drinks Group has already delivered a 300% uplift in value and is aiming to IPO at an even higher valuation at the end of this year. LifeSafe Technologies, the #1 selling fire extinguisher on Amazon, has increased in value by 441% since our initial investment and is set to IPO in Q3, again at a higher premium. And iOS Bio is delivering the future of immunisation where all vaccines will be taken orally, so no more injections. It too is ready to IPO in 2022 with a significant uplift in value. As a member, you'll get free shares in the above companies and you'll be able to access your very own portfolio dashboard, live webinars with the CEOs of the companies you have shares in, exclusive member deals, and a unique peer-to-peer secondary market trading platform. If you join this month, you can also win up to £250 in extra bonus shares in any of the above companies. So don't miss out on our exit trio for 2022. Join VC Crowd now and let us look after your best interests. Just click the link below and follow the instructions.